Global exterior experts came in and replaced my roof. They're amazing in that they always followed up when they said they would. They always got back to me with the results of that, and they would always let me know when they were going to try again. And they stuck by that the whole time. I was surprised at what nice equipment they have. I mean, at least so far as they have these giant pickup trucks with chrome wheels and the dualies on the back and everything. And every guy they sent out had one of those. So it's like, wow, this company must have some decent resources because their equipment is very nice. From my experience, they seem to be a very rock solid company, and that I don't get the impression that they are amateurish in any way. They seem to be completely professional, and they seem to have an amazing amount of resources. I mean, there's people for every aspect of their company that I interacted with, and when they had inspectors, they had their crew come out, they had the clerical people, the billing people, everybody was just very good and very good at what they do. It looks good. I mean, I like the shingle colors that I picked out, and seems to be good. I have no problems with the quality of the roof. Well, I want to say thank you, Global, for all the good work you did. I never felt like I was getting ripped off. I always thought that you guys were doing a good job, and I think the work that you did was high quality, and I'm happy with the results.